It's potato harvesting time! I am not sure how my potatoes did this year because the bindweed, oh my goodness, just took over the whole entire potato bed. But right in there is where I planted my potatoes, and I have one right there kind of peeking out, little small guy. So we're gonna dig this up and see what we got. And baby boy is over there playing in the dirt. We're building stairs. Well, I must say that I am a tad bit disappointed because most of these are just super tiny, and these were probably the mother plants that I put in here, and they have a bunch of holes in them, so some bugs got to that. And yeah, so these are all probably the mother potatoes I put in here, and everything else is pretty tiny. I did get a few bigger purple red potatoes, but yeah, so the bindweed just really took over this area. And my first time trying it over here. I usually plant them in another area, but yeah, so now I know that this is not a good spot for them, and I'll just have to try someplace different next year. So you had fun, it looks like, sir. Did you have fun? Like, yep, I had fun, Mama. Miss Luna.